Hey y'all, Xavier here, and we're back again, this time with a movie reaction. Today, it's gonna be Who Framed Roger Rabbit, the classic from the early 90s. Was it early 90s? Let me see. Who Framed Roger? 1988, actually. Oh, it's a long time ago. 30+ years. And this was like revolutionary based on what I've seen. There are the videos on YouTube and all that about the filming techniques and all that. And it's directed by Robert Zemeckis, the guy who did well, basically known for the Tom Hanks movie Forrest Gump. Also, did he do Back to the Future? Back to Robert Zemeckis. Let me check. Forrest Gump. Filmography. Yeah, I did the Back to the Future films. Forrest Gump. Oh, Castaway. He was director of Castaway too. Beowulf. Did I watch that one? I think I watched that Beowulf one. Flight. Is that the? Did I watch that movie? Oh yeah. What was did I watch that movie? I watched that one. Okay. Oh, he's the director of Pinocchio that came out last year. Oh, this year. Okay, cool. So he's still working. See, I've seen more movies of his than I thought, because I remember him with Back to the Future and few movies and Forrest Gump. I didn't know he did those other movies too. The Polar Express, Beowulf, Flights. Yeah. So guy's been working. Guy's been working. Love that for him. What else has he? Let's see, the cast of this movie. And the cast was, who was in this? Bob Hoskins, he played the detective. Christopher Lloyd was in this. Yeah, I can't remember. He was the detective. Who played Christopher Lloyd, the Judge Doom? Who was Jessica Rabbit's voice? Kathleen Turner. Oh, there's Kathleen Turner. Oh, another familiar face. Oh, okay. That's enough of that. Let's get myself familiar with the cast. Yeah, very good cast. Good director. And I know lots of people like it. So hopefully I like it too. And let's watch it.
Mommy's going to the beauty parlor, darling. But I'm leaving you with your favorite friend, Roger. He's going to take very, very good care of you.
Okay, so we're starting out.
He's going back to the science lab.
Okay, cool.
Don't worry. Whatever you say. Yes, ma'am. Aye, aye, sir. Okie dokie. Why, I'll take
Just give me like those Tom and Jerry cartoons with the where's the mommy stereotype, and then it was all we just saw her legs. And okay, I get the vibe. I get what they're referencing.
Who turned out the lights? Boy, it's dark in here. Don't depend on lights.
That's not good. Yeah, that's not good at all.
I'm here, baby.
Oh, what's this rabbit? Rabbit stuff. I don't know what I'm supposed to call it. I don't know what I'm supposed to call it, but yeah, that's what I'm calling it. And then Suckle Lux. Okay. Alright.
Cut! Alright, that's a cut. Cut, 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 cut! What the hell was wrong with that take? Nothing with you, baby Herman. You were great. You were perfect. You were better than perfect. This Roger, he keeps blowing his lines. Roger, what's this? A tweeting bird. A tweeting bird. Roger, read this.
Hey!
Look what it says. It says rabbit gets
A poor bird.
rabbit sees stars. Not birds, stars! Can we lose the playback, please? Roger, you're killing me, killing me. For crying out loud, Roger. How the hell many times do we have to do this damn scene? No! I'll be in my trailer. Taking a nap. Excuse me, Toots.
Oh, that's a perverted actor. Perverted baby actor.
Tunes.
Tell me about it.
How much do you know about show business, Mr. Valiant?
Only there's no business like it. No business I know.
Yeah, there's no business more.
No business like show business. No business I know.
It's just Dumbo.
I know who it is.
I got him on loan from Disney. Him and half the cast of Fantasia. The best part is, they work for peanuts.
Literally peanuts.
Well, I don't work for peanuts. Where's the other 50?
Let's call the other 50 a carrot to finish the job.
You've been hanging around rabbits too long.
That's a nice, shady businessman smile. Well done, that actor. Well done, that actor, indeed. Ah, sucks for that guy.
What do I look like, a bank?
Tell me this guy had no money? Is he poor?
Wait for me!
He must be down on his luck if he's having to bum a ride on the tram.
See you later!
Thanks for the cigarettes.
Thanks for the cigarettes. What?
She's lost the sheep, and you're gonna help her find him. Get this straight, meatball. I don't work for Toons.
Oh, damn. He really ate Toons.
What's his problem?
Toon killed his brother.
What?
Dropped the piano on his head.
Damn. What a way to go.
Nice monkey suit.
Nice monkey suit. I didn't get it at first cause yeah, it's a monkey wearing a suit. Okay. I didn't pick up that it was a monkey at first. Oh, this is one of the scenes I saw in the videos about this movie. Like that. Or they did it with the people underneath the stage or whatever with trays and all that moving like robots. Was it robots or puppets? Something like that moving. Yeah, very cool. Great performance. An explosive end.
What's with him?
Mr. Acme never misses a night when guests come for
Got a thing for rabbits, huh?
She's in the rabbit, bro.
You had plenty money, 1922. You let other women make a fool of you. Get out of here and get me some money too.
Oh, she's staring at me like that. Yup. Okay.
Get me some money too.
She is very good at what she does. I'll tell you that.
Why don't you do right like some other man?
Amazing performance. Amazing. Quality. I approve. I stand. I really do stand. Yeah. I'm him.
And don't let me
Exactly.
catch you
Being a
peeping
peep and
face
tell.
around here again. Got it?
You gotta be kidding me.
Take comfort, son. You're not the first man whose wife played patty cake on him.
Did I mean the actual patty cake?
I took the pictures myself. She played patty cake.
Oh, not my Jessica. Not patty cake. This is impossible. I don't believe it. It can't be. It just can't be. Jessica.
Who was the other Valiant? This is Valiant and Valiant. I wonder who that was. Father, brother, wife. I would think a wife, but then it was this. It's 1947, so yeah. How about if they allow the wife to do that? You know. Oh, is that the other Valiant? The one who's no longer there? Oh, right. Cause she said his brother got killed by the piano. Yeah, so there were brothers who were PIs. Move like it's a Lucy going to business. What?
We talked to Mr. Maroon. He told us the rabbit became quite agitated when you showed him the pictures. The rabbit said one way or another, he and his wife are going to be happy.
HAPPI.
How did that gargoyle get to be a judge?
Spread a bunch of simoleons around Toon Town a couple years back. Bought the election.
Huh? What's that?
It's gonna kill him.
Remember how
It's
we
gonna
always
kill the
thought
shoe?
there wasn't a way to kill a tune? Well, Doom.
This is how we handle things down in Toontown. I think you of all people would appreciate that.
Kinda. This guy's cruel. You. That shoe did nothing to.
Hey, wait a minute. Hey!
I've been trying to make him quit, but he just won't listen to me.
What do you know, you dumb broad? You got the IQ of a rattle. You Valiant?
Yeah.
I want to talk to you about the Acme murder. Hey, psst, down. Why don't you run downstairs and get me a racing form?
Oh! Okay, I'm going.
Okay, yeah, the baby is very perverted. Oh. Oh. The whale. Is that Roger in there? Yeah, that's Roger Rabbit. In the bed with him. Definitely.
I didn't know where your office was, so I asked the newsboy. He didn't know, so I asked the fireman, the greengrocer, the butcher, the baker. They didn't know. But the liquor store guy, he knew.
Of course, the liquor store guy knew.
And leave no stone unturned.
Look, Valiant, we got a reliable tip-off. The rabbit was here and was corrugated by several others. Forget the bullshit.
You keep talking like that, and I'm gonna have to wash your
Definitely.
mouth out.
Dirty mouth.
One of these days you're gonna die laughing.
Oh. That's how they're gonna get rid of them. I think if they continue to laugh, they're gonna explode or something or die. Okay. That's obvious. Yeah, I got that. Is that the best way to solve it?
Hold still, will ya?
You might cut your own.
Does this help?
Yeah, thanks. You mean to tell me that you could have taken your hand out of that cuff at any time?
No, not at any time. Only when it was funny. Come on, Eddie, where's your sense of humor?
He always is funny, or only on days when he's wanted for murder?
Listen, my philosophy is this. If you don't have a good sense of humor, you're better off dead.
You just may get your wish unless I can figure out what
The
happens
rabbit's
to this.
got a point.
What is it, Eddie?
Just look at it.
The rabbit is right.
You don't know how hard it is being a woman looking the way I do.
Yeah, well, you don't know how hard it is being a man, looking at a woman looking the way you do.
I'm not bad. I'm just drawn that way.
Good point. That's how she is drawn.
Anything.
What a wife.
I'm desperate, Mr. Valiant. Can't you see how much I need you?
Dabbling in watercolors, Eddie?
Sorry.
Goodbye, Eddie. My offer stands firm. Think about it.
Wow.
Come on, Eddie. I caught you with your pants down.
Yeah, but Dolores, come on. Come on, Dolores.
Whoa, it's a quick drizzle.
It feels so great to touch your plate and look at me. No pain, no pain, no pain, no pain, no pain, no pain, no pain. Hey, who turned out the lights? I can't hear a thing. What's going on?
Hey, we turned out the lights, Doctor Who. The Doctor dances. That episode. A soapbox.
Yeah, when they done laughing, they'll call the cops. That guy Angelo would rap.
A literal soapbox.
What a drink, Dolores.
Oh, just had the name, Rabbit Dip.
What could have possibly happened to you to turn you into such a sourpuss?
You want to know? I'll tell you. A Toon
Toon.
killed my brother.
A Toon? No.
That's right. A Toon. We're investigating a robbery at the First National Bank of Toontown. Back in those days, me and Teddy liked working in Toontown. Thought it was a lot of laughs. Anyway, this guy got away with a zillion simoleons. We trailed him to a little dive down on Yaxter Street. We went in. Only he got the drop on us. Literally. Dropped the piano on us from 15 stories.
Ah, the judge
Broke
is
my
the
arm. Teddy never made it. I never did find out who that guy
judge
was.
is the guy
All I
who
remember was
stole the
him
simoleons.
standing over me laughing. with those burning red eyes. You ought to find yourself a good man.
But I already have a good man.
Please, don't mind me.
You better get going, Eddie.
Ah, that's it. Beat the horn twice. Cover your back. Boy, I'm ready. Dukes up. Eyes peeled. Ears to the ground. Why, nobody gets the drop on Roger Rabbit.
And they got the
I'm gonna see him destroyed.
Who's destroyed? Why?
If I tell you I'm a dead man.
You're a dead man if you don't tell me.
He's a dead man now.
Acme's will shows by midnight tonight. Toontown's gonna be live with a freak.
I didn't know which way to turn. Oh, that's where Toontown is. Okay, fair enough.
Going up, sir.
Yeah.
Mind the steps, sir. Hold on, sir. Your floor, sir. Have a good day, sir. Hey, what's up, Doc? Jumping without a parachute? Kinda dangerous, ain't it?
Yeah, you could get killed.
You guys got a spare?
Bugs does.
Yeah?
Yeah, but I don't think you want it.
I do. Give it to me.
Gee, better let him have it, Bugs.
Okay, Doc. Whatever you say. Here's the spare.
Thank you. Ah, no!
Aw, poor fella.
Yeah, ain't I a stinker?
Tunes gets him every time.
From the looks of it, I'd say it was Roger. My honey bunny was never very good behind the wheel.
Birds are jiggling as fur. They're like balls. Wow.
I'll handle this one.
Nice booby trap.
Go grab your wife and Valiant and took to the Acme factory. The Acme factory? I know what that is. Get in! Move over, Raj. You've done enough driving for one night.
A car driving a car.
This is no way to make a living.
Not at all.
Wouldn't you know? La.
My God, it'll be beautiful.
Come on. Nobody's gonna drive this lousy freeway when they can take the red car for a nickel.
Oh, they'll drive. They'll have to. You see, I bought the red car
To shut it down. Exactly. That's why I bought the red car.
Okay, nobody move. All right, Weasel, grab some sky or I let the judge have it. You heard me, I said drop it.
Hey, I did it, but we're not stupid. We demand justice. Why, the real meaning of the word probably hits you like a ton of bricks.
Say something. Look, stars. Ready when you are, Raoul.
Now Roger is his name. Laughter is his game. Come on, you dope. I smash both and watch him go insane.
He's lost his mind.
I don't think so.
Bye.
Eddie, hurry, it's coming back!
What? that Weasel was dedicated, even in death. You gotta love good work if you can get it. Good loyalty if you can get it, you know? I really appreciate that.
I wasn't worried. Were you?
Remember me, Eddie? When I kill your brother, I talk. Yes!
Not a nice way to go.
It was a close shave. I thought for sure our goose was cooked.
Oh. My hero. Oh, honey bunny.
Oh, love cup.
Oh, Roger, you were a pillar of strength.
I wonder who he really was.
I'll tell you one thing, Doc. He weren't no rabbit or a duck.
Or a dog.
Or a little wooden boy.
You are a sheep.
Or a woodpecker.
Or a pussy.
What is that?
Jessica, how do I love thee? Let me count the ways. I, Mom, and Acme, of sound mind and body, it's the will. Do we hereby bequeath in perpetuity the property known as Toontown to those lovable characters, the Toon.
I'll bake you a carrot cake.
I could do with a carrot cake right now, to be honest.
Okay, move along. There's nothing else to see. That's all, folks. I like the sound of that. That's all, folks.
That's all? Okay. Alright, so that was me watching Who Framed Roger Rabbit for the first time. I'd only ever seen the snippets, clips once or twice about the technical aspects, like how they did certain scenes. But yeah, gotta say, after watching that, I really like that movie. Okay, I see why it's well loved. I figured out that the judge guy was bada bing bada boom, the what am I saying? I forgot that he was the guy who killed Valiant's brother. I think I should have put together that he was the also the person behind the Cloverleaf Company too. But you know, I don't know. I just didn't want to spell myself because I think I saw something about him melting, so I realized he was the Toon, but I wasn't sure if he was the only person involved in the Cloverleaf Company that's buying up all those different companies and all that. But okay, right, and it was a lot more violence than I expected. A lot more people violence. I mean, like that's we had the Valiant. Not the him Valiant. Maroon. We had Acme being killed. Maroon and Acme. So yeah, And we saw Maroon get shot by the bing bada boom. So, wow. And Lena Aina, she did a great job playing Jessica until the scene with the where she went man crazy. Okay. What else was there? Oh, the Weasels. Yeah, you could tell once he said, "Be careful about laughing." I know that's what they were gonna go. They were gonna die laughing. Bob Hoskins. Oh yeah, he was great. As well, there's a lot more dirty jokes than I expected. The perverted baby was looking up the skirt of the lady, and then you smack his I don't know, his assistant. I don't know who that person was. This assistant. I'm not sure who that person was. What else was there? Jessica's boobs. They were very active. Very active. Anything else? No. All I can say is I really enjoyed that watch. All I can say it's for the entire family. I'm not sure if the turtle jokes might skip past the kids, so might be able to watch it with as a family thing. But yeah, the adults are certainly gonna spot those. So yeah. But yeah, good romp. See a lot of tunes I remember. Like the famous ones, Bugs, Minnie, Daffy Dog. We saw some like Billy Boop, old cartoon. We also saw Mickey, Daffy, Donald, Goofy, yeah, Porky Pig at the end there. I think about it. Yeah, that's like a whole who's who. All those classic tunes. It makes sense because it was set in 1947, so the scene with the kids on the tramline with the smoke, give him cigarettes. I like that gag. The decent cast of characters in the bar, like those. And just no, that's about it. Yeah, so very good film. It hit the mark of what it was going for, and yeah, I definitely recommend if you anyone if you are like someone who hasn't watched it, you definitely tell them to watch it because I assume if you watched this video, then you've already watched the film. Because I don't know, maybe that's you. But yeah, definitely get them to watch it. There'll be laughs and some shock and a good time. So recommend it. Okay, and that's all, folks.